Assumptions are generally used in which of the following type of research study? A. Exploratory research. B. Experimental research. C. Quasi-experimental research. D. Case control studies. And the correct answer is A. Exploratory research. Assumptions help guide exploratory research, where little is known and open-ended inquiry is common. There is a relationship between years of nursing experience and job satisfaction among nurses. Is an example of A. Associative hypothesis. B. Causal hypothesis. C. Directional hypothesis. D. Non-directional hypothesis. And the correct answer is D. Non-directional hypothesis. A non-directional hypothesis suggests that there is a relationship between variables without specifying the direction of the relationship, meaning it does not predict whether it will increase or decrease. Which of the following cannot be considered as a source of hypothesis? A. Theoretical framework. B. Previous research findings. C. Consultation with an expert. D. Real life experience. And the correct answer is C. Consultation with an expert. A hypothesis typically arises from theoretical frameworks, prior research, or real life experiences, not solely expert opinions. Which of the following may be considered as characteristics of a good hypothesis? A. Conceptual clarity. B. Empirical reference. C. Objectivity. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. A good hypothesis should be clear, testable with empirical evidence, and objective to avoid bias. The main purpose of considering delimitation in a research study is A. To predict the relationship between variables. B. To define the scope of research study. C. To express the beliefs and ideas about the phenomenon under study. D. To define the variable in measurable terms. And the correct answer is B. To define the scope of research study. Delimitation sets boundaries for the study, helping define what will and won't be included in the research. A prospective cohort study on smoking and lung care among adult dwellers in Dehradun district, Uttarakhand is an example of which type of study? A. Univariate study. B. Bivariate study. C. Multivariable study. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Multivariable study. A multivariable study examines the effect of more than one variable on the outcome, such as smoking, age, and other factors. Which of the following is not a component of a hypothesis? A. Dependent variables. B. Independent variables. C. Both A and B. D. Extraneous variables. And the correct answer is D. Extraneous variables. Dependent and independent variables are components of a hypothesis, whereas extraneous variables are not part of the hypothesis. The statements of beliefs and ideas which are considered to be true are known as A. Hypothesis, B. Assumption, C. Conceptual definition, D. Operational definition. And the correct answer is B. Assumption. Assumptions are beliefs or ideas taken as true without empirical evidence, forming the foundation of the study's framework. Hypotheses in qualitative research studies usually A. Are very specific and stated prior to beginning the study. B. Are often generated as the data are collected, interpreted and analyzed. C. Are never used. D. Are always stated after the research study has been completed. And the correct answer is B. Are often generated as the data are collected, interpreted and analyzed. In qualitative research, hypotheses often emerge as patterns and themes are observed during data analysis. Research hypotheses are A. Formulated prior to a review of the literature. B. Statements of predicted relationships between variables. C. Stated such that they can be confirmed or refuted. D. Belief about any natural phenomenon. And the correct answer is B. Statements of predicted relationships between variables. A research hypothesis predicts a relationship or outcome between two or more variables in a study. There is no difference in the incidence of phlebitis around intravenous cannulae changed every 72 hours, and those changed at 96 hours is an example of a null hypothesis, B. Directional hypothesis, C. Non-directional hypothesis, D. Simple hypothesis. And the correct answer is A. Null hypothesis. A null hypothesis proposes no difference or effect between the groups or variables being compared. A statement of the expected relationship between two or more variables is known as the A. Concept definition, B. Hypothesis, C. Problem statement, D. Research question. And the correct answer is drop your answers in the comment section below. For downloading PDF content and for latest updates, follow our Telegram channel. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.